Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, we made it to day 6 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, which means we're about halfway through the contests, but I have so many cool prizes coming up, including the prize for today. Now, before I get to that, why was the letter E the only letter in the alphabet that got a Christmas present this year? Because all the other letters were not E. On the 6th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Blink outdoor camera system. That's right, we're giving you the whole kit and caboodle. So essentially what you're getting in today's prize is a Blink outdoor camera. It's a phenomenal camera. It's weatherproof. It'll record 1080p video. It's got motion detection. It's got two-way audio. It's got night vision, color vision during the day. It's everything you'd want in an outdoor camera. And the best part is it's totally portable. It's Wi-Fi connected and battery powered. So once you pop the batteries in the camera, you connect it up to your Wi-Fi network with the sync module. It's also included, and you can monitor outdoor spaces, your driveway, your front porch, a back walkway. Maybe like me, you've got chipmunks in your backyard that like to have wrestling matches in the afternoon. It's a great camera to keep track of everything, and all you need to get started is included with the kit. Now, it's a great product, and we're going to definitely send it out to anybody that wins this contest. I say this every time. You could live anywhere in the world. I don't really care. We're going to put it in a box. I just want you happy to get a prize at Christmas time. So to enter the contest, it couldn't be simpler. Down below in the comments is a link. Click that link. A form will pop up. We put that form together. It's pretty cool. Anyway, the form will pop up. You put your email address in there and your YouTube username in there so I can get a hold of you if you win the contest. After 7 days, we're going to pull a name out at random and we're going to send you an email to say, hey, good news, you won the contest. Send us your address and we'll ship you the product. Now, I don't care where in the world you live. I've been picking on a lot of different cities across the U.S. I haven't started on countries outside of the U.S. yet, but today, I want to pick on Random Lake, Wisconsin. Now, I don't know what the story behind that is, but apparently there were a lot of lakes there. And when they were planning, the township council was planning what they were going to call it, they couldn't come up with a name, so they called it Random Lake, figuring nobody else would argue with that name anywhere else in the U.S. Now, another interesting fact is every year, I'm laughing already, every year I pick on Sheboygan, because I really like that word. Sheboygan, Sheboygan, it sounds funny. But anyway, this lake happens to be near Sheboygan, so I'm not picking on Sheboygan today, but I kind of had to work that in because I have to travel out there to Sheboygan. It sounds like a great place. Anyway, you could live anywhere you want. Could be Random Lake, Wisconsin. We'll put it in a box and we'll ship it to you. We just love giving this stuff away. And believe me, if you don't have outdoor security cameras, the Blink Outdoor is top notch. It's a fantastic product. You put the batteries in it. If there's a random amount of work going on outside, a random amount of motion, it's probably going to last you about a year, year and a half on the batteries, maybe even 2 years. And it just does a great job of keeping track of what's going on outside your home. So that's pretty much all I have for today. So please enter the contest. We really want to give this away. We like to have as many people in the contest as possible so everybody gets a fair chance. Now, today's the 6th day of Christmas. We've had 5 other contests before this. We'll have 6 more contests after this. So if you've missed some of those earlier contests, just go back and find them and enter those contests as well, because we haven't started picking winners yet. We haven't quite gotten past the 7th day of that first contest. And believe me, I'm keeping track. I got a spreadsheet set up and I'm really keeping track of what's going on. And I want everybody to get a fair chance. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel because I have some really cool stuff coming up, including tomorrow's prize, which is, I can't tell you, I was going to say it. I almost blew it. Anyway, tomorrow's prize is a really cool one. And there's a bunch more after that. So definitely stop back when you can. Thanks again for watching, and until tomorrow, happy flying.